Mbiyamo sana. Injili yetali ane nkoro kusamu ogoro. Ande no mutule tinde. Andora atake kondoka ibyukan. Yorende ngora ngi ndara kwana kende. Fine, sir. Na many of Minnesota, I think about 17 or 18 years. Around the Bakachago, Gubina, ni Bajela boy, Bakaka no or Roterwa. No and terrible. The one on the Gubina, I didn't devote the Garende or Roger or Yosokolini and Roger Tambe. You did the Bajela boy. No other people, plus, Ibago Magical Mandara. I don't know the Lango. Wow, nice. And then you like a regular so or Barrow Center and yes, I tell you. One on that, you're taking the Grosana because I was among the number of you to make it in there. Now, then I need to tell you, you got. Nabaga anteno moga tom puna na moga na njoko munde kana na. Umongo na kwani anga banda abo ikara sare ano ko bakwani. Umongo no ya ko eri ko no ko bakwani ya.
Kwere bya mwezi. Na ko kile ko banyora na mwezi na nte ko gendera ko manyana nonde nche na mubombire iga.
Mbiya mono ga jori umongo no ya ko kwa. Yo tobaga ine njinanga kwera keiga nero bera aria igorende na bole monko ngura barenge na bande iga bono ajindo gendere lakini buna ajire iga bono na ora ajire no ara kandi gara agende emura mobuli na ali ku ajan kinade ku ajira lakini bono ende for among na nero yo mbiyamo sana banda ba minto balimu aja for this today's meeting. I would start by thanking Mheshimiwa Nyangenya Koinyora that we gave you support and you are to come back in the and you know, when you are going for a game, for a fight, for whatever, even when you want to marry, you know you are fighting against one girl. One thing you have to know is that one man or one person is going to lose. Even when we have the fiercest football match back home, Gor Mahia and AFC, even before we left home, we knew at least one team at the end of the day will lose. You are a first-timer, and you are a very aggressive man. I remember when you had this idea, among us, the people who are with a very young family like this, we say, Mutoto akililia wembe mupe. So we say, when you decided, we said we will give you, and we give you the support. Thank you very much for remembering to come back to Minnesota to tell us thanks. There are some in this hall who never even gave you the support. There are some who said from the diaspora, there are some who had bad wishes. There are some who say, my cousin is his wife. They didn't. So, but around the Bajana, I was saying, what they forget is that God is seeing them. The curses are coming to them. They are, you don't even know what they say. Now, you go imagine. And when we say, abayi bali bakobe chombe baje bayigambe kaniseri yankai bakoraki. So when you take a contribution there, abayi bali no bale abayi bali no bale bate una mia amangana aliansi yako sebe wai keri gora banda bande ba mia meti bai mokati amako igoro bona ayo sabiru no morogi osabiru no moruani osabiru no mo pasta osabiru no moigwe chombe yani yasa nanga ta ko sisenia. So please nyangenya, thanks for what you are doing. Your ambition is very good. And diaspora, they say, oh, from diaspora you never win. But when we were doing the analysis before the elections, we say, oh, these people, we are going to prove them wrong this time. Because I had a landslide, wachiri. Ochiko kaendaka, tuanyora na omori na baba oroji na tuarenge ODM dam, tuanyora na ori na baba airport, onye baba dayo, ida noare, ongeri tuamori burusiri kwa mwena ali ojira ali ngo kodisi ubare, mwana ngo sirari binda mikabaiga, high profile. We didn't know that happens, but when it happens, amabere kara itikide ya mia saigoro, oge tamba akekora tukia tinya, na hane ngombe jeka mumabia vana manyude chai. So all that said and done, we thank you very much, because even 2 days, people were saying, Nyanganya should say what happened. Well, what was it? Now, the moment I take a chikura chia, no, I know you're going to chikura inya. You have what they want to chikura jin, when I have a jaiga, that you might then I better do. One with the Okuna, no, I know what I will get, the one that you go with. So he took his time to tell us what is happening. Ozengi, Minyoka Koti, Yen Koti, Amanda Madana, we will give you money, Minyoka Koti, and the Jara Kabai Kozengi, was an Angor Nyako, Ibachi, where we don't come from, but you took a very bold stand. With that stand you took to know that this thing, I'm a very taken as I go, a tower, Kori was in the Vignatini, about when I go back when I lose, but you took a very bold stand. It damaged your name immediately because you just have to understand politics. But at the end of the day, I think you have a very good standing. Now, you are coming today to tell us that you have brought us a report. Then they go on to go at I think a few speakers here have said, Nakangawa there, Angawa there. Oh, Nanya Karachi Koirora, Otarachi Koirora. Ntobuga del da Sigaiga, Babuga Tapanamaka, Avande, Kiangu, Avande Maro, Bataguan, Yitira Kinito Bavedina, Gedana, Karomo Gutanoria, Nando Kakwana Buya and Juga, or Juguna Korvana Bomanga, Karako Avere, idea you could win. You go to Texas, come and meet these elders here. Not necessarily for financial resources, just to give you an idea. Then we give you such that at the end of the day, now I draw the way rescue a leader from diaspora, so that we can prove them wrong that you can't leave diaspora and wait. And you have already so please, you come with this approach. We are ready to support you. We will sit down, map a way forward. If we have 100 people with 50, another 50, 25 we go Jaiga, but at the end of the day, we shall find something fine there, down there, and in the because we so like you have done enough groundwork, your name has been done. I want to take a Timojango, I have to take a action. If the if their medicine is that night that you need to give them gusene mi gusene 200 gusene rimambia gusengi because you want to rende no job modiko ya mkwai go bakari jibesa makori go gabatara gatikura wana go wata nyasana na nyora tabako ai kuna njenga ba. What else can we do? We have to get a strategy. So we wish you the best, and I know, like they asked you, you didn't tell us. You have already told us, but you are tripped this time. In case we are there and we will give you that support. Abantu bami tutali boigo. Nyangenya makobe moja, mbili.